Hello folks, welcome to a brand new video of Mr. Pi. Can you find the radius of this circle? Pause the video and try for yourself in 3, 2, 1. We have a circle in which we have center C. Don't go up on the scale of the figure, this can be wrong. We have AD diameter and DE a chord. We have angle DEC to be 45 degrees and DE is root 46 and EF is 26 units respectively. This question I got from this geometry top super top Facebook channel, so do follow them. Now to begin this question, first of all we will join point F and C and we will draw a line perpendicular from the center to the chord DF. Okay, so drawing a perpendicular line, and now we know a theorem that the line drawn from the center of the circle to a chord at perpendicularly will bisect the chord, that is DH will be equals to HF, that is DH equals to HF. We will use this later. Now if we assume EH to be A, then HF will be 26 minus of A, because this whole length is 26 and 26 minus A, this FC is the radius R. We have this angle at 45 degrees, this is 90, so this angle is also 45 degree. By we know that the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees, so this is an isosceles triangle. So if EH is A, then HC will be also equal to A. So this is A, this is R, this is 26 minus A. Now we can find this, that DH is equal to root 46 plus A, and HF is equal to 26, HF equals 26 minus A. So we can write 2A is equal to 26 minus root 46 upon 2. Okay, we got the value of A. Now we will use Pythagoras theorem in triangle FCH. Triangle FCH, we will get R square is equal to A square plus 26 minus A whole square, and we will get A square is 26 minus root 46 by 2 whole square minus plus 26 minus root 46, sorry, I think I've done a small mistake, okay, upon 2 negative, and we'll write plus 26. So we get 26 minus root 46 by 2 whole square plus 26 plus root 46 by 2 whole square. Now we'll use calculator for it, let's use it. So we'll have 26 minus root 46 whole square divided by 4 plus 26 plus root 46 whole square, sorry, whole square divided by 4. We get the value of 361. Okay, so R square is equal to 361, and we obviously know that what is the square root of 361. The answer is right, the answer is R is equal to 19 unit. So hence this was the answer. I hope you liked it. This is a Russian based question, so it was quite easy and quite a little bit of difficult, because you know this theorem that the line drawn from center circle to the chord bisect the chord. You must know this is an isosceles triangle. You must know the Pythagoras theorem, which is obviously many of you know, and by using this all you will get a correct answer of 19 units. Thank you.